Hey, this is NASCAR driver Ross Chastain ahead of our big race weekend here in Nashville. We're back after winning the Cup race 1 year ago. We'll try to back that up and win again. But today, we're out here at Lincoln Tech, talking to students, reminding them to make smart decisions when they get behind the wheel, drive sober, do not drive impaired, buckle their seatbelt, everything they do. We've got our Use Your Melon car out here, and we're looking forward to a big weekend, Saturday and Sunday in both races. Glad to be here at Lincoln Tech today.
I'm Jason Ivey. I serve as the Deputy Director for the Tennessee Highway Safety Office. And let me just say on behalf of our Director, Buddy Lewis, and the Tennessee Highway Safety Office team, thank you, Lincoln Tech. This partnership with Ross Chastain for Protect Your Melon, impaired driving, options to kind of learn what is unsafe practices when you're driving. This has been a really great marriage for us today. It's been beautiful weather. We've had a great area to perform with all of our partners on site, plus Ross and the show car. And Lincoln Tech students are superior. They really have been engaged today, making their rounds through all of the vendors besides just getting a photo op with Ross. And they seem truly engaged in the message of what we're doing, which is don't drink and drive, don't be impaired and drive, make good choices, call a friend, call a share ride, but just make good choices during this season. Summer's hot, we're all on the road a good bit, and this is a great way to kind of remind folks to be safe while driving.